in this game. I forgot the name, but the name will be in the title. So yeah, look, morph. What could this be morphed to? Oh my god, I'm Spooderman. Oh my god, I will shove my web. So let's spawn the the rainbow box. Where the hell is it? Why is the? Oh, there it is. Oh my god, this leg is screwed. Pretend that didn't happen. There's music in the back, which is really annoying. Spawn Illuminati box. I hate it. It spawns 10 million years. Okay, let's do this. Yo. Oh my god. Is this supposed to be fun? Oh! Wait, I actually reached that? Drunk driving, but in a different way. Yo. Why is this kind of fun though? Oh, I'm upside down. I am somehow breathing in lava. Oh, oh god. I'm getting. Never mind about that one. Oh, yo, Sonic rings. Yo. Oof. Let me look in the back. Wee. If this would have happened to anyone else in real life, they'd probably be dead right now. Oh, lava again. Are still going. Oh, this is the end. How are we still going? This is actually crazy. And my camera is going crazy right now. Oh, 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 oh. Also, I am late to post this shit cause like there's fireworks last night. I can barely sleep. Okay, anyways. Oh, look. We won. Well, that was a journey. Just to say so. Anyways. Might as well subscribe. Cause like, if you made it this far, might as well. Also, most of you probably hadn't done that. So,